Want to invest but don't know where to start? Picking individual stocks can feel overwhelming, too much research, too much risk. That's where mutual funds come in. They let you invest in a ready-made basket of stocks and bonds, all managed by professionals. Welcome to Grow My Saving. In this video, you'll learn what mutual funds are, how they actually work, the benefits for beginners, the different types of mutual funds, and whether they're right for you. A mutual fund is basically a team investment. Lots of people pool their money together, and a professional fund manager invests it in a mix of stocks, bonds, or other assets. When you invest, you buy units of the fund, and your money represents a slice of the whole portfolio. The fund manager does the heavy lifting, choosing investments, rebalancing, and keeping the portfolio on track. The value of your investment is measured by something called the net asset value, or NAV. As the fund's assets grow, your NAV and your investment grows too. Why are mutual funds great for beginners? Diversification. Instead of betting on one stock, your money spreads across many. Professional management. Experts pick and monitor investments for you. Accessibility. Many funds let you start with small amounts. Convenience. No need to research every single company. Not all mutual funds are the same. Open-ended funds. You can buy or sell units anytime. Closed-ended funds have a fixed number of shares that trade like stocks. Funds can also focus on growth stocks, bonds for steady income, or a mix of both in balanced funds. Mutual funds are ideal for beginners who don't want to pick individual stocks, investors with limited time for research, and anyone looking for professional guidance with smaller amounts of money. That's why they're a popular choice in retirement plans and long-term portfolios worldwide. Remember, mutual funds charge management fees, so always check costs. And while they reduce risk, they don't eliminate it. The value of your units can still go up or down. Have you ever invested in a mutual fund? Or are you considering it? Drop a comment below with your experience or your questions. I'd love to hear from you. So here's the recap. Mutual funds pool money from many investors. Managed by professionals for diversification. Easy to start with small amounts. And perfect for beginners who want a hands-off approach. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and join me next time on Grow My Saving as we explore index funds versus mutual funds. What's the difference?